There are more challenges in starting a craft distillery than just about anything I can even imagine. The obvious, being a woman in this industry. There aren't very many of us, and it tends to be a man's world. But I found my voice, and I love a challenge. That's probably what drives me. I'm Debbie Word. I am the founder and owner of Chemist Spirits here in Asheville, North Carolina. I had a passion for figuring out how things are made, decided that I wanted a still for Christmas. Started on my stove. We immediately started making some pretty tasty spirits, and then decided that maybe this was something we should try to take to Asheville. It's actually how it got started. Just dove in with both feet. What comes off the still comes off at a really high proof, and we have to do what we call cutting. We cut with our local water. It's perfect. That definitely adds to the flavor profile and changes the mouthfeel and every component. When I hear artisan, I think of an elevated craftsman, someone who has perfected their craft, someone who's going to maybe color outside the lines, push the envelope, but they are going to lead the others because they are the best. Family is what is driving this completely. I was trying to build a legacy for my family, for my grandchildren. If I didn't have family in the background that I felt like I was doing this for, we may never have gotten off the ground. And I think that's gotten me through a lot of the tougher spots, is just knowing that the family is there, and I'm doing that for them.